Hey everybody, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up. So today we're going to be making churro cheesecake. Here's the items you're going to need: cream cheese, eggs, sugar, coffee creamer, cinnamon, and some crescent rolls. Alright, so I went ahead and already put my cream cheese in a bowl, and I'm going to add the 2 eggs here. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the sugar as well. And we're going to go ahead and start mixing it up with a hand mixer. I'm starting it on a low speed, and then I'll just increase the speed as it goes on. Okay, so now I'm going to add in almost a tablespoon of the coffee creamer. I use vanilla bean. And then I'm going to add in some cookie nib flavoring. And I used a teaspoon of that. I do sometimes overfill my teaspoon. And that's okay, but you can use whatever flavor you want. Hey, and then we're going to go ahead and blend this in. So we're just going to go ahead and scrape the sides of the bowl and the bottom just to make sure we get everything incorporated together. And then blend a little more until it's smooth and creamy. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I have my bowl. I'm going to add the sugar, the cinnamon. I used a half a cup of sugar, about a teaspoon of cinnamon. Go ahead and mix that up, and then I'm going to apply it to the bottom of my pan. I'm using a 13 by 9 aluminum pan. Okay, so this step is optional. I do like to add butter to the bottom of my pan before I put the sugar and cinnamon mixture on top. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add these rolls to the top of the mixture. All of these cracks, you can just go ahead and pinch the dough together, flatten it out. Okay, so once you have all the dough covered at the bottom, you're going to go ahead and pour the cheesecake mixture on top. And when you do, you definitely want to go ahead and smooth it out and just level it so that it has an even baking. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add this roll over to the top layer and do the same thing. Go ahead and pinch where it is, the little breakage is at, the cracks are at. We're going to pinch those cracks back together. And then we will apply the rest of the cinnamon sugar mixture to the top. And then here it is with the mixture on top, ready to go into the oven. We're going to go ahead and we're going to bake this at 350 degrees. We're going to bake it for 30 minutes. Once it's out the oven, let it chill for approximately 3 hours at the minimum in the refrigerator before you do any cutting or anything to it. Okay, and so I decided to add some strawberry and some Oreo crunch to the top along with some chocolate covered strawberries. That is the end of my video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or try the recipe, leave me a comment. See you next time. Bye.